video on hard-boiled eggs. So, peeling hard-boiled eggs is always a bit of a problem. I thought, oh, looks like we've got a cracked egg. No, we haven't. No, it's fine. So I always found that peeling hard-boiled eggs, especially if the eggs are particularly fresh, kind of quite difficult. And then I saw a video where a guy said you cook them, you boil them for 8 minutes, you put them in ice water for 3 minutes, and then they're easily peeled. So let's test it. Let's test it. So they've just come up to the boil, so it's cold water, bring them up to the boil, and then we want to, I'm going to cook them for 5 minutes because I want them kind of quite runny on the centre. So we'll cook them for 5 minutes, and then we'll drop some ice in the freezer. I'm sure. Yes, we have ice in the freezer. So we've got some ice, so we'll add some water to that, give these 5 minutes, add it to the ice water, count 3 minutes, and then we will see if they all peel. And then I think we have to take them out of the ice water after 3 minutes. So we'll see if it works. Right, boiled for 5 minutes, ice water for 3 minutes, and then we'll see how they peel. I think what it is, how it works is that we will boil them, and then when adding them to ice water, I think, no, we're fine with that. I think adding them to the ice water micro cracks the shell, and I think that's what it does. So you kind of shock the eggs into being able to be peeled relatively easily. Oh, that seems to have worked. No, it doesn't. No. No. No easier to peel than any other method. Yeah, do you know what I mean? They're supposed to be easy to peel. I always go with the older eggs. I think older eggs peel easier. And I bought these eggs fresh today on purpose because I wanted to try it with fresh eggs, because what's the point of having to buy eggs and let them hang around for a while and then peel them afterwards? So that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Well, I can't imagine I've done it wrong. But no, they're not easier to peel than ever. I think the secret is older eggs, if I'm honest. I don't think it doesn't matter if you're boiling them for 8 minutes or you're boiling them for 5 minutes. I don't think that matters a bit. And this one's peeling a little bit easier, but still we're getting a little bit of the white off. Nah, a useless internet. See, look, that's no use, is it? A useless internet tip. Now I don't want to put them back in the ice water. And also a waste of ice as well. You could do something else with that ice, like have a cocktail. So that doesn't work. But we found out that it doesn't work. So that's almost as important as finding out that something does work, because it means that we don't have to. We can write that one off the list of not working, and think that old eggs are the way to go. No, that's no easier than usual. Let's try another one. I'll let those go completely cold and see if they peel any easier tomorrow. No, that's no good, is it? No, it's pulling all the white off. Let these go cold in the fridge overnight, and then we'll see what they're like to peel tomorrow. Fridge overnight, or 2 nights. 24 hours. Let's see if they peel a little bit easier. Let's put it in the compost bin. A little bit easier. Let's move that so we can see a little bit better. Kind of. No, not really. Not really. I'm going to go on the old eggs are better for peeling. Unless I discover another method of doing this, but no, I think old eggs peel easier than fresh eggs. I don't think there's a method for doing them easier No. They're not peeling very easily at all, are they? That's not too bad. No, that's a fail. So, I'll just have to take my time peeling those properly, won't I? Will they peel any easier? No, the membrane's still pretty stuck. That membrane on the outside of it's on the inside of the shell and the outside of the white's pretty stuck to it. So I think that's a fail. I think it needs to be old eggs, like a week old eggs. Buy them, keep them in the fridge, well, keep them for a week, and then they'll peel a lot easier. But anyway, didn't work. Slightly disappointed. Not often we get a fail, is it? But a fail